Okay, hi everyone and welcome to a new concept English video classroom and today we will learn lesson 10. Sağlaş yaxşımızlar. Hem de bizim şu 9. dersimizden devam bo'lgan 10. dersini o'rganmoqchi. Hem de 10. ders hem de bu şu 9. dersini kelmoq dersi. Biz avval ham şu dersimizde intayin muhim bo'lgan bir necha yangi so'zlarni, ham so'zlar bor. Bu so'zlarni o'rganib bo'lgandan keyin ondan keyin o'tgan soat dersimizde bular bu 9. dersda intayin muhim bo'lgan bir necha yangi uqum bor emasmi? Shu uqumlarni biz bu şu dersimizde bir takrorlab o'tamiz. Xo'sh, hamsa birinchi so'z nima ekan desanglar? Fat. Okay, look, fat. Okay, nima bu qilamiz? Birinchi tovush shunaqa okay, fat. All right, endi bu nima bo'ldi desanglar? Fat degan semiz degan gap. Okay, semiz degan gap. Endi siz semizmi desakchi, are you fat? Okay, are you fat? Siz qandaymi? Semizmi? Are you fat? Okay, yes I am. Yeah, I am fat. Men qanday? Men semiz. Okay, I'm fat. Degandek. Okay, endi men semiz emas demoqchi bo'lsaqchi, I'm not fat. Okay, endi fat endi shu semizdan sir yana bir necha ma'nosi bor. Fat cat. Okay, fat cat. Ana fat cat degan nima desan, semiz mushuk. Okay, ana bu semiz mushuk degan nima desanlar? Bo'lamoq shu ham puli bor. Bu jamiyat 100 obro'yi, huquqi olanda odamni fat cat deymiz. Masalan, Bill Gates nima desanlar? Fat cat. Mana pul bor, 100 obro'yi, 100 obro'yi bor. Ama shunda semiz mushuklarni odatda fat cat deymiz. Keyin nima fat cat. Ana bu fat head. Okay, fat head. Okay, fat head bo'lsin bo'ladi. Sanlar head degan bosh, ammo fat degan semiz bosh, qapoq bosh, dut degan gap, ahmaq. Shunday neyimiz? Fat head. Okay, fat head. Okay. Next one is thin. Okay, nima deganimiz? Thin. Yaxshi, thin. Okay, thin deganimiz nima? Sanlar uruq degan gap. Materapis qilganda, tilimizni ishlaymiz-ku, thin. Okay, thin. And she is thin. Okay, she is thin. U bo'lsa qanday desanlar? Uruq. Vijik degandek, thin. Okay, next one is woman. Okay, woman. Okay, woman degan nima desanlar? Ayol kishi. Okay, look, she is a woman, right? Agar artiyan nima deymiz desanlar, woman, girl, a lady. And the girl deganimiz qizchaq degan gap, lady deganimiz nima desanlar? Xonim degan gap. Ko'pincha mush ommaviy so'rovlarda hamda hurmat yuzidan endi xonim deb chaqirdi. Masalan, ladies and gentlemen, xonimlar apandilar. Masalan, ommaviy so'rovlarda nima deb chaqirdi? Ladies and gentlemen, shu lady shu, mush lady'niki ko'plik shakli. Ko'plik shakli. Girl, qizchaq, lady. Okay, next one is short. Okay, short. And short deganimiz nima desanlar? Qisqa, paka degan gap, short, short. Masalan, my teacher is short. Mening o'qituvchim qanday desanlar? Paka. Paka degan nima ekanmiz? Short. O, mana yerga o osuzuq tovushni, sal so'zab tanaffus qilamiz masalan. O, okay. Nima? Short. Okay, short. Okay, next one is dirty. Okay, dirty. Ana dirty deganimiz nima? Maynat degan gap, dirty. Masalan, dirty car. Okay, dirty suit degan, okay? Maynat. Masalan, is this your suit? Bu kostyum burulki sizningmi? Is this your suit? Yeah, it's very dirty. O intayin qanday? Maynat. It's very dirty. It's very dirty. Okay, next one is clean. Okay, and the macho sound like she parks. It's clean. Okay, clean. Xo'sh, the clean deganimiz parks degan gap. Masalan, uninki yotoq uyi. His bedroom is clean. Uninki yotoq uyi qanday desanlar? Parks. Uni degan nima? His bedroom degancha yotoq uy, parks degancha clean. Okay, his bedroom is clean. His bedroom is clean. Bedroom is clean. Okay, next one is hot. Okay, hot. Issiq degan gap, issiq yoki isib ketmak. Masalan, I'm hot. Okay, men isib ketdim, tushunami? Shuni nima deymiz? Hot. Okay, hot. Hot degan isib ketish. Nimachi? Cold deganimiz to'ngab ketmak yoki so'g'aq degan gap. Masalan, I'm cold. Men to'ngab ketdim. Shuni nima deysan? Cold. Cold. I'm too cold. Okay. Vahshiy so'g'aq, tushunami? Ajoyib qattiq so'g'aq bo'lib ketish bo'lsa, nima? Cold. Okay, what about next one is old. And the cold bilan qopidash. Nima? Old. Bu yashangan kishi so'g'ib turib to'ngab ketdi. Cold, tushunami? Cold. Mana nima? Old. Okay. Masalan, they are old. Okay. Ular qanday yashangan? Bu yerga they deganimiz nima desam, ular hamda rasmdagi shikaylanma ular deymiz, tushunami? They are old. Ular qanday bo'lib ketdi? Qarib ketdi. They are old. And you are old, bo'lsa. Siz yashangan kerak. Okay, what about this? This one is young. Okay, young. And the young deganimizchi yosh. Masalan, I am young. You are young. He is young. Tushunami? Okay, what about this? Man, Negmat, tushunami? CCTV niki dangliq riyosatchisi. U qanday tanlaydi? Yosh, tushunami? He is young. Okay, young. Agar yashangan kerak bo'lgan bo'lsa, old. Young. Good. What about this? Look at this picture. That man is busy. Qarang, bir qo'lida qahva, bir qo'lida telefon, tushunami? Kind of busy person. Busybody, busy person. This one is busy, tushunami? Okay, masalan, the milkman is busy. Sutchi bo'lsa qanday? Night, oldrash. Oldrash. Oldrash degan nima deymiz? Busy. And interesting one is this. What about that man? And the modern solution. Okay. Maybe this person is very, very, very lazy. Tushunami? Ma adam vahshiy, o'rinliqni chekaga yetib, tushunami? Ana xo'shaqmaydi, yeydigan narsani olib qo'yib bergan. Oh my gosh. Lazy. Okay, lazy. Oldrash bo'lsa nima? Busy. O'rin bo'lsa lazy yoki loyg'azal degan gap qo'y. Masalan, that man is very lazy. Odam bo'lsa, entayin qanday ekan? O'rin ekan. Loyg'azal ekan. Loyg'azal ekan degan gap. Lazy, busy, young, old, cold, hot, clean, dirty, short, woman, thin, fat cat, fat head, fat. Okay, nice. And fat, fat cat, thin, okay, woman, okay, and just short, dirty, okay, and just hot, cold, old, busy. Next one is lazy. Okay, lazy. Hush. And so, kinks nima desam? Catch. Next one is catch. Okay, catch. Catch deganimiz nima desam? Shu tutib olmoq, tushunami? Masalan, catch the football. Biz oldingi darslarimiz o'rgandik. Catch deb tushunami? Catch degan nima? Tutib olamiz degan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa ma'noga shu boshurlarni to'ldirib qo'yinglar. Masalan, Robert isn't a teacher, he's an engineer. Demak, shu shaxs almash bilan BPL ni to'shqizganmiz. To'ldirib beringlar. Masalan, shunga asosan, masalan, he's an engineer. Robert bir o'qituvchi emas, u bo'lsa bir injener. Undaqda birinchisi, masalan, Mr. Blake isn't a student. Blake apandim o'quvchi emas. U nima? Blake apandim degan hamda action bo'lgan ekan nima? She is a teacher. U bo'lsa bir o'qituvchi. Okay, and ikkinchisi. Ama ikkinchisi qarasanglar, this isn't my umbrella. Okay. Endi bu yer bu mening kunligim emas. Endi u bo'lsa deymiz, u deganimiz bir shar ekan, nima? Narsani ko'rsatadi. Narsani ko'rsatgan ekan nima desanglar? It's your umbrella. U bo'lsa nima? Sizning kunligingiz. What about this? Sophie isn't a teacher. Sophie bo'lsa o'qituvchi emas. U bo'lsa, endi Sophie degan qizchaq. Qizchaq qanday bo'ladi? She is a keyboard operator. U bo'lsa kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimi. And Steven isn't cold. Okay, he's hot. Steven qanday emas, to'ng'ab ketmadi, u qanday qilib ketdi, isib ketdi. What about number 5? Nicola is in Chinese. She is Japanese. Nyako, sorry. Nyako degan qizchaq. Shuni she is deb ishlatamiz. Okay, 6-chi. This isn't a German car. Bu Germaniyaning mashinasi emas. Endi bu yerda narsalarga olmishdigan narsa nima? It, shunami? Shuni u bo'lsa it's a Swedish car. U bo'lsa nima mashinasi? Shvetsiyaninki mashinasi. Xo'sh, hamsa ma'nogacha savolashlar. Buni men ulgu misol qaranglar. Birinki masalan man, fat deb berib tushunami? Okay. Buningda ulgulik misol qanday desang, look at the man. Oh, yoki odamga qarang. He's very fat. U intayin qanday simiz. Okay, and the woman bilan thin. Hamsa o qizchaqqa qarang yoki ayol qarang. Look at the woman. She's thin. U qanday uruq. Look at the woman. She's thin. Okay, and the policeman tall. Okay, and so ersaqcha qarang. Look at the policeman. He's very tall. U qanday intayin igiz deganga. Okay, and so ma'nogacha you to look at this housewife. And a housewife degan uy ayoli. She's very lazy. O intayin qanday o'rin. Endi demak mush misollar savollarga ma'lum mashq darsining rasmlik bor, shuni o'xshab qoldi. Look at this housewife and the boy uy ayoli qarang. O intayin qanday o'rin. Lazy shunami? And what about mechanic? Look at that mechanic. He is very dirty. Okay, and o qanday mehnat. He is very dirty. Xo'sh, hamsa ama bugungi darsimizningki tongue twister. And the tongue twister deganimiz til qayrish mashqi degan gap, bolalar. Masalan, bugungi til qayrish mashqimiz nima desanlar? I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish men umid qilaman you were sen bo'lib qolsangda a fish bir beliq in my dish nima taqsamligi. Men mening taqsamligi bir beliq bo'lib qolishingni umid qilaman, orzu qilaman deganni I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were o'tgan zamon odatda o'rganganman. Bo'lsam shu qo'yib qo'yapman. I were deganimiz bo'lsam idi, menda bo'lsam kel. Ma'niki nima bo'ladi? Faqat shu o'qishni bilaman. Were deb o'qiymiz mana. Were, okay, were nima? I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. I wish you were a fish in my dish. Okay, degan. Qaysilarni o'qiysiz? Shu bizniki. Abdi Talaba ovozda qo'yib qaytarishni so'raymiz. O'sha jo'ra ma'noda mukofot bor. Okay, I wish you were a fish in my dish. Push, good. Good job. Okay, I'm really proud of you. I'm very proud of you. Men intayin sizlarni qadr qilaman. Faxrlanaman. Okay, good job. Xo'sh, nima? Ansa bugungi darsimiz mushakcha bo'lsin, salomlashsin. Topshiriq nima desanlar? Topshiriq bo'lsa, sizlarga shu darsimizniki so'zlikni 20 qatimdan cho'qib ko'chiraverasizlar. Ko'chirgan cho'qib ko'zsiz qilib daftar ishlatib olganlar. Ba'zi savolashlar bizga hozircha rasmga, oldingi darslarni rasmga taqib, shunday astoydil. Lekin ularniki nima yo'q desanlar. Odatda daftarga. Odatda yasanlar quyruqda xatolik nima desanlar? Ba'zi so'zlarni o'lchamda yozolmaysiz uchun. O'lchamda yozmaganlikka vaqtlarda desanlar, o'qcha tashqari. Shuna meningki tavsiyam ko'zsiz olib daftar ishlatib ondan keyin yezib turaman, cho'qim tekstni yozaman va tapqasini tekstni intayin yashirtaman. Ondan keyin yozish bo'lganlar desanlar bizniki bizning yana bir programmamiz bor. Qanday yodlaymiz, qanday so'zli o'yirimiz degan uchun. Shu programmamizda intayin tafsiliy to'xtalamiz. Shuni ko'rgaysizlar. Bo'ldi. Bugungi darsimiz yakun bo'lsin. See you next time. Goodbye.